Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Tag Manager in Weebly using the updated 2026 Studio workflow, so you can technicality bridge the gap between your website and your professional marketing analysis tools with high-end precision. First, retrieve your Google Tag Manager container snippets. The first step is a mechanical necessity for tracking. You need to gather the specific technical studio codes from your GTM account that will serve as the bridge to your Weebly site. Log into your Google Tag Manager account and click on your container ID. It usually starts with GTM-. A pop-up will appear with two blocks of code. One is for the head section and the other is for the body section. These scripts are the professional standard for 2026 tracking. Having them ready for a candid copy-paste ensures you don't have to navigate back and forth during the technical setup in Weebly. Next, access the Weebly SEO settings. Once you have your codes, you need to technicality navigate to the back end of your Weebly site, where the high-end site-wide code is managed. Open your Weebly editor, click on the Settings tab at the top, and then select SEO from the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you see the text boxes labeled Header Code and Footer Code. The SEO section is the mechanical necessity for 2026 site-wide technicality Weebly. Placing code here ensures it runs on every single page of your studio site, allowing for a comprehensive market analysis of your visitors. Next, install the head and body technical scripts. Now you must candidly place the snippets into their correct locations to ensure the 2026 tracking engine initializes properly. Paste the first GTM code block into the header code box in Weebly. Then take the second GTM code block, the no script part, and paste it into the footer code box. Click the blue Save button at the bottom of the SEO settings page. While Weebly doesn't have a specific body box, placing the second script in the footer is a professional 2026 workaround that ensures the code technicality fires as early as possible after the page content loads. Click the Publish button in the top right corner of the Weebly editor. Wait for the confirmation window to show that your site is live. And that's pretty much it. To install Google Tag Manager in Weebly for 2026, copy your snippets from GTM and navigate to Settings, SEO in your Weebly editor. Paste the head code in the header box and the body code in the footer box, then hit Save. Most importantly, publish your site to technicality push the changes live and use Tag Assistant to verify that your professional studio tracking is active. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.